Okay, hi folks. Being a DIY enthusiast, I just thought I'd do a bit of a quick saying tutorial. Safety, health and safety. There we go. About these diesel heaters, okay? So I'm going to flip you around and I'm going to show you something. No, I'm going to show you my diesel heater the best I can. And then I'm going to explain why I'm doing the video very quickly if I can. Okay, here we go. Okie dokie, okay, because my diesel heater is situated by my sliding door, as you can see, okay, and this is fitted to a plate on the floor here with four wood screws, self-tapping wood screws that go through my wooden floor. Okay, the wooden floor is 5 mil, possibly 6 mil thick, and then that's fitted to wooden slats going across through insulation, and then they're all screwed into the floor, or mine are all bonded into the floor. Okay, so in theory the distance between this plate and to my metal floor outside world is 30 mil. Now someone, I watched a video the other day and he was saying he's having trouble with this thing, and when he got back to his van, there was smoke inside his van. Ooh, no, that's definitely a no. Great bloke, no problem, I'm not going to say who it is or anything like that. Anyway, so he said he's going to take it apart and have a look and find out why. So I watched his video and I watched him take it all apart and everything, and what he had done, he has one of these plates, but not this particular one that I've got. This one is called a turret, and you can buy them. I will put a link in the description down below, and there's two types, and they're going to, well, the one type I'm going to show you is the 30 mil. You can get 60 mil. Mine's a 30 mil. I'll put that now in the picture. And what he had done, he had mounted his diesel heater on two skids, two pieces of wood that weren't even bolted to the floor properly, and that's not putting that person down. So his exhaust is air intake and its fuel line were all inside the vehicle, if you know what I mean. So if you imagine a 2-inch gap, all his pipes were all exposed, the exhaust was exposed, everything was exposed inside the vehicle. That's a no-no. So if I show you a spare heater I've got, so which way round is it? That way round. Okay, so what happened was he mounted his on, he put his plate on here with the rubber seal on, put loads of sealant around it, and then he turned it over and then mounted it, the plate, on wood. So then this was up in the air like this, sitting in his van on two wooden slats with the exhaust and everything showing. That's definitely a no, don't do that. If you're going to do it, buy one of these plates. These should just be outside. I'll try and show you on mine. 2 seconds. Okay. I don't know if you can see that properly. There you go. Now my turret didn't quite come through the floor. It doesn't matter because it's sealed. So it goes through that, through down to the floor. My turret hits the metal floor, then it's sealed, and everything you can see is on the outside. And my exhaust goes out the back and out the way. Okay, and then my pump and everything is further along here, all secured. So you don't, please, I'm not saying I'm a lecturer, I'm not saying I'm an expert or anything like that. I'm saying is, if you're going to fit it, either use a flat plate that comes with it, and go straight to your floor. If you're not using any wood or anything, then you just straight to the floor, do that. But if you're going to go through your wooden floor, use a turret and then seal it. I've got underneath this plate here, around it, there's a big hole. It goes right through, so none of my pipes are touching this wood or insulation or anything. And then I've got heat-proof sealant that goes round the outside and then sits on my floor. There is no way, 99.9% no way, that any fumes are going to come in this vehicle. This has been running out for 2 years. I've never smelt anything. I fitted it by my side door for ease of access. You can see that there is an extinguisher by it. Yes, I know it might be in the wrong place because I've got a seat fitted temporarily for the third passenger because we're going away. So that said, there you go, that's it. Those two should be outside, or as near as, damn it, out the way. Nothing should be coming in your vehicle. All right. I will put a link in the description for the turrets. I shall also put a picture of the turrets as well. All right, take care. Thanks very much for watching. If you did give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. The likes help the channel a lot as we get to produce free videos. Take care. See you in the next one.